Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back again with another video. Yesterday was a Sunday, so I managed to do what some of you asked, that is a share analysis for the coming week, a video for the pairs we're going to be monitoring, the ones that are going to be on our watch list for the coming week. And I did that analysis and shared around I think four pairs that we shall be monitoring heading towards this week that has already started today. So today is a Monday, and we are going to be monitoring those trades to see how they are going to perform. However, I have gold, and I want us to go through gold alone and see what is happening on gold. So I'll be using the same strategy to show you what is going on gold. So I use the same strategy even in the analysis. So all we have to do is we prepare, monitor how the pairs are moving, and then we execute when the time is right. So for now, let's go through gold and then see what it has. Okay, so this is gold and this is the 2-hour time frame. I'll be going to the weekly because we start from the weekly. And then I had people saying, why don't we start from the daily? Why can't we start using the daily instead of the weekly? Because for most people the weekly is too far away. Okay, I think I'll be doing some analysis for the daily also, just to balance for all the viewers. Okay, so guys, subscribe. We are going for I think now we're on the road to 300 subscribers, because we have already reached 199 so far. So that means you who is new, you kindly subscribe and then put your subscription there to make 200, and then we start riding to the 300 subscribers mark. Yeah, so 5 seconds, guys. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, then I'll proceed with the video. Okay, so I hope you guys have subscribed. So now let's proceed with the video. So first things first, I'm going to do the one for weekly, and then I'll do the one for daily. So I'll start with the one for weekly. So first thing first, to get the highest time frame, that is the weekly. And then if we go to the highest time frame, we are looking for what? we are looking for the direction of the market, and then excuse me, and potential supply and demand areas. So when you come to the weekly gold, it is clear gold is going up. It is an uptrend, and the gold has been going up for a long period of time. Do you see any areas of demand or supply? Here we have an indecision candle, this one here, an indecision candle, this green candle here. So it is an indecision candle going heading towards up. However, we see the week is starting and price is pointing down. So what do we do? Mark our opening price of this week and closing price. So this is the opening price, the closing price is up. So after that, we head to our daily. What takes to our daily to see whether we can get areas of demand and supply. So here, what do we see? Price started from here. This was Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it closed from this candle here. However, we see this indecision candle here. Can it act as demand? That one there. Okay, and then there is a break of structure here. Okay, so we drop down to that daily, to the 4 hour, to see if we can refine our demand. So if we refine to this candle here, let me just stretch it. Good. So if you refine to this candle here like this, yeah, it's okay, like that, you find that this area was tested. You find that this area was tested by this candle here. It came tested and then went up. This demand here. However, if I marked it like this, it was not tested. If I marked it like this, it was not tested. So could we see something like price coming all the way down here to test this demand, or we shall count the whole week up to here and then count it as tested? I don't know, I prefer to do it like this. Don't want to consider that upper week. So that's that aside, and then we have rally, base, rally here. This is a very big impulse. That means a lot of buyers came in. We have two indecision candles, good basing, and an engulfing candle. What does that mean? It simply shows that there are some buyers here. So we are likely to see price come, tap into this area and go to the upside. At least that is what I'm expecting. And at the same time, if you see, this was resistance, 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 and then it was broken, turned into support, and then price went up. So I'll just go to the line chart. Like this. You see guys, resistance, resistance, resistance. Then it was broken, turned into support, price went up, and it is coming back. Excuse me. And this is, it's coming back, and this is a demand zone. There's a demand zone there. So there's a demand zone here. So I'm expecting to see price tap into this area, and by the price is coming back. I'm expecting price to tap into this area and then turn around, head to the upside. At least that is what I'm expecting on gold. Price will come, tap around this area, then turn to the upside. That's what I'm expecting on gold. When I go to the 3 hour, just to refine the area, it is even more clear. 3 hours is even more clear. If I can drop to this, see, 2 indecision candles, and then 3 indecision candles in fact, and then bullish engulfing candle. Very good move away from that area, which was followed with another bullish candle. With another bullish candle, and now price is coming down to this area. So what I expect is price is going to come, hit this area, and then go to the upside. At least that is what I'm expecting to see, because this is a strong zone. This zone has been respected at least once, twice, 3 times. Then here it broke out from the base and then it shot up. So I don't expect price to reach down here. I don't expect price to come down here, because we are in an uptrend. So this is the zone that we are most likely to use. Tap here and go to the upside. That is gold. So your ideal entries will be total stop loss slightly below, that is 14. And someone will ask me, why are you not starting from here? Guys, this is gold. With the gold, that is how I time my entries. Other pairs I can start from here, or I can even start with 2 pips up, but with gold, I always time my entries like that. So your target would be the the closing price of the previous week. So this is 1:3, but the pip count is 500. If you're entering 0.1, if you're entering 0.01, that is $50. If you're entering 0.1, that is $500 after that level. So that is it, guys. So let's wait and see what is going to happen on gold USD. Okay, guys, that is all on gold. And yes, and what I'm expecting about gold. So you can also monitor. Let me see if we have fine into the 2-hour. It's still the same thing, guys, and the 2-hour it is even better. It's even better because price comes, breaks out, then forms a base, and then shoots up. 2-hour is even better. Let's see on the 1-hour. It's still the same thing. There's a base. 1-hour is even better because look at this engulfing candle, Marabuzo, up. So guys, that is the area to buy gold from. I don't think it will go all the way up to down here. Should be buying gold from that area. Yes. So this is what I was teaching you yesterday. You prepare on the weekend and then let price play out during the week in your favor. Yes, it is not always going to play out in your favor, but trust me, as long as you have prepared, then put your zones there. It is always, okay, not always, but it is better than panicking when you have just opened the chart and you don't know where to start from. So you just prepare, organize, and then wait for execution. So right now we are waiting for gold to come here, and then we take it up. Why? Because we have supply and demand in this area. We have support and resistance. Then 2, we are in an uptrend, so we are trading with a trend. Daily, weekly is an uptrend. Daily going up, 4-hour going up, 2-hour, every hour is going up. So we are in an uptrend. So it is high likely that we are going to buy from here. It looks like a high probability trade. So that is all, and that is for gold. So if you want to take advantage of this, you can risk 1% of your account, enter the trade, and then wait to see what is going to happen. Okay, guys, that is all for today, and bye. You can subscribe if you have not subscribed. If you like the video, you can also share it. Also comment anything that you would want me to talk about or make a video about. I'll gladly research and make a video about it. Some people have been commenting and I've been replying. Why do I reply all comments? Because the channel is still small and we don't have a lot of subscribers, meaning I can almost reply to all the comments that are sent on the channel. So in case there's anything you'd want to ask, guys, don't hesitate to ask and I'll make a video about it. Okay, guys, that is all for today. Have a lovely day. Bye. Kindly monitor this zone.